Into my omoplata. So the heavy emphasis on the half grandy and the full grandy, I'll explain why. So I set up my lasso, Laura drops to her knees, yes. So can everyone see this or no? We need to turn it. So first thing I do, I pass off and my elbow goes to my hip. Whenever we're inverting, the elbow to the hip is super important. My foot here passes across, so both my feet are on the same side. Now, what I'm going to do, head to knee, just like we've been doing, arm over to the mat, but instead of going to the mat, it's going to go to Laura's underneath her armpit, with a palm up through it, my hand twisted like this, okay? Now, when I do the half grandy, you just saw I come out in an omoplata. Because I've got to here, this is the half. But if I continue my inversion, I end up in a triangle, okay?
That's beautiful. So Jackson.
Yeah.
That's what he does.
Lasso in. Our opponent drops. I pass off, and I get both my feet on the same side. Notice my foot, my bottom foot, I'm not pointed like a ballerina. I've got a dorsiflex so it hooks onto the hip, so I can pull myself in. Elbow to the hip, arm comes through. So I kind of use this motion to get my lower back off and into a ball. Through. Half grandy is our omoplata, but if I continue to spin through, get to my triangle. Cool?
Oh, can you do it one more time? Sorry.
Yeah.
It's going to be on video.
That's what.
So he goes in. Pass off my grip. Foot goes to the hip. If you are having trouble as well, you can bend this leg. So if they're trying to pull their arm away, yeah, see how I can bend my leg and now I can start to come up. Through, hips high, omoplata, all the way through, triangle. And I'm doing this super slow, and obviously the more speed and momentum you get up, the smoother and easier it is. Okay? It's actually the opposite, it's harder to do slow. Cool? Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. So a normal scissor sweep, I've got my knee at 45.
Yeah.
Okay? For the lasso, my knee still points to 45.
Yeah.
But now, Laura just pulls her arm out, I'm extending like this, like a big kick. So I set it up at 45. I don't set it up at the sky. Think about wherever the knee points is where you want the person to go, or where you're hoping to put them. So I'm not trying to send her up to the sky, I'm trying to knock her over. So here, and this is the same as the tripod, hooking at the knee, hooking with our tripod. I put the pressure here and I kick over, and it's, yeah, pretty uncomfortable. If Laura puts up her knee on the side I'm not lassoing, my feet under, and now this time I'm just going to scoot and stomp.
Oh, jeez.
Just like our standing one that we did. Okay, it's the exact same. Laura drops to her knees again. Okay, so she stands up the other side. Yes, here this one does get a little bit different. I have to start putting in a reverse De La Riva hook, but all I'm going to do, I'm still like our other sweep where we're going into the foot lock, grabbing the near ankle, and I shoot my hips out this way, so that as I drive them up, I'm going to pull down, flaring, and drop Laura down that way. Okay, so all the sweeps we've done for the standing pretty much apply the kneeling as well. The only difference is when Laura has the double knee position, we can start to use like the either the inversion or the scissor sweep. Cool?